Today I'm working on updating my tell sheet, and I had intended not to make a video because I needed to dedicate my time to that. And I came across this, and I thought it was worth sharing, and so I'm just going to quickly share it with you. This is from Seeking Alpha, and what it is it's giving me a consensus revenue revision trend. So what it's telling me is what this particular company is projecting its revenues to be from 2025 through 2030. And it's in the data center space. So what you can see here is they're projecting that the revenues in 2025 are going to be 553 million. Then they're going to go up 70% to 943, and then they're going to go up over 2,800% to 27.57 billion. What I found interesting was these lines up here. These are telling me how they have adjusted their projections based on their past earnings call. And as you can see here, in 2027, they had anticipated that this number, the 943, was going to be 22 billion, but they've revised it down to the 943. And this is the kind of information that I can get from Seeking Alpha, but then I want you to see what's happening then. After the revenues are going up 943, revised down in 2026, they're anticipating they're going to hit in 2027 27.57 billion. That's a 2,822% increase in revenue. So this is the kind of information that's available to me through, in this case, Seeking Alpha. And I do this for all of the 60 stocks that I go over. And then what I do is then take the corresponding earnings per share that will equate to this growth to 33 billion from 553 million, and saying, okay, what is the earnings change that is going to be? What is the current PE ratio, and how is that going to interpret to the price at the end of 2027? And that's what you'll find on my tell sheet. How is what we're seeing here going to affect the price of the stock? What is the price of the stock today, and what will it be in the end of 2027, the beginning of 2028. So that's how I spend my time. As I said, I wasn't going to make a video today, but I thought this was important enough that you see how I create my tell sheet. And I've told you before, it's available to you on the website, bestofusinvestors.com. And we're offering a 14-day free subscription. So you can see how it works, see how how the data comes together, and you can make a decision if it would help you make better investment decisions. So that's just a short video. I got to get back to updating, but I came across this and I said, I got to share this. This is big stuff.